Yeah, welcome back children. Today we'll learn how to find a square root. Finding square root by division method. Am I right? Yeah, division method. Now take any one of the number. Yeah. So now we should find the square root of 784. Correct? Now 784. Now try to make a pair from right side. Okay, from right side. So from this side, pair means 2. Yeah, these two, 8 and 4, one pair, and 7 left. Am I right? Now what to do? Here we have a 7 now. So try to take a perfect square which is related, which is nearby 7. So perfect square in the sense 1 1s we knows 1, 2 2s we knows 4, 3 3s we knows 9. Actually we need 7, am I right? So 9 it's not possible, 4 is enough. So I can take 2 2s are 4. Now here we have written 2 no, so better to add 2. So answer 4, here 4. Listen carefully, okay? 7 minus 4 answer 3. The pair of numbers if you take down, overall number is 384. Just try to locate the last digit is 4. So in the starting square numbers we discussed, 4 comes by either 2 2s are 4 or 8 8s are 64. Correct? Only two cases the numbers end with 4. Either here if you repeat 2 or if you repeat 8. Okay. So whatever blank here, take the blank. So here also blank. That means whatever number you write here, the same number you should write here also and multiply with the number. Example, if you take 2, now it will become 42 and you should multiply with 2. That's it. If you take 8, 48 into 8 you have to do. Correct? Now 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84. No. 8 8s are 64, 6. 32 plus 6, 38, 384. Yeah, matching. So what is the digit? Required digit 8. So here I am writing 8. So here also I am writing 8. So 384. Remainder we got it 0. Now what is our square root answer? It's not our square root answer. It is our answer. 28 is our answer. So by this problem, what I'll write? Wait. What I'll write? Therefore, square root of 784, I can write it as a 28. 28. Okay. Shall we go with one more problem? Yes, we. Find the square root of 576. Find the square root of 576. Okay. Same 5, 7, 6. From right side, try to make pair. Yeah, these two pair. 5 left. Same as it is. I said no. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So we need 5. Am I right? So 9 not possible. 4 is enough for us. So I'll write 2 2s are 4. Here we are done with the 2 no. So we have to add 2. 2 plus 2 answer 4. 5 minus 4 answer 1. And if you pair, take down 176. Now the number ended with 6. 6 means I can say 4 4s are 16 or 6 6 are 36. In the both cases the number end with 4. Okay, if you take 6, I'm sorry. If you take 4 here, so I should write 44 into 4. Or if you take 6, 46 into 6. Now 4 4s are 16. 1 carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. 176. 176. Correct? So required digit 4. Here also 4, 1 7 6. I told you no, this is our answer. Yes. Therefore, square root of 576 is nothing but 24. Square root of 576 answer 24. Now we'll see one more number. Yeah, find the square root of 1296. 1296. Yes, now come here. 1296. Do what I said before. Make a 2 pair. Yes, first we have taken 3-digit number, so that 1 digit left. It is a 4-digit number, so we got it exact pair. Correct? If you look at the first pair, number 12. Okay, same write down. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. 16 is not enough for us, so 9 is okay. Correct? So I'll write 3 threes are 9. So here I done with the 3 now, so I should add also 3. 6. Correct? 12 minus 9 answer 3. If you take down pair 96. Again the number end with 6. So one thing I want to clear, the last digit is 6, so that either 6 6 are 36 or 4 4s are 16. So in the case of with the 2 digits, the number end with 6. So if you take 4, it will become 64 into 4. If you take 6, it will become 66 into 6. What digit you are taking? With the dot digit you have to multiply. So 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39, 396 are required number. Correct? So required digit 6, here also will take 6, so 396, remainder 0. So therefore here we will mention square root of 1296 is equals to, we'll write 36. Yeah, find the square root of 4225. 4225. Okay, 4225. So from the right side, try to make the pair. Okay, so 25 pair, 42 also pair. Yes, remember 45 5s are 25 perfect square, 6 6 are 36 perfect square, 7 7s are 49, 42 49. Okay, it's not enough, 36. Okay, correct. So here I can write 6 6 are 36. So my dear children, what to do? I done with 6 now, so here also I should add 6. So 6 plus 6 12. 42 minus 36 answer 6, and take the total pair 25. And look at last digit 5. So with only one chance, that is 5 5s are 25. It is only the chance to get the 5. Now take 125 into 5. I am taking 5, multiplying with 5. Don't get confusion, okay? 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 12. 1 carry. 2 I have written 1 carry. 5 1s are 5 plus 1. 6. 625. 5 5 625. Remainder 0. This is our answer. Correct? Therefore, I can write 4225 is equals to 65. So in this way, we can solve any problem to get the square root. We can get the square root for any number by this method. Previously we discussed prime factorization method also. So both methods will be good. Division method is too better to make it. Okay, right. Yeah, we'll go with some word problems. Okay, right. What the question tells us? Find the smallest number. What is the exercise then? Yeah, 6.2 Problem number 2. What it is asking, find the smallest number by which 3645 to be multiplied to get a perfect square. So what does he asking? It's not a perfect square. So with a certain number, if you multiply, it will become perfect square. So what number we required? Okay. So better to go with the prime factorization method. 3645. So the last digit 5. So it is able to divide by 5 only. So 5 table 36. 5 sevens are 35. 1 left, 1 4, 14. 5 table. 5 twos are 10. Correct? How much left? 4 5. 45. 5 nines are 45. Correct? And this number is divisible by 3. 3 twos are 6. 1 2. 3 fours are 12. 3 threes are 9. Again 3. 3 eights are 24. 3 ones are 3. And 8 plus 1 9. So it is also divisible by 3 only. 3 twos are 6. 2 1. 7s are 21. 3 nines are 27. Same 3 threes are. Right? And remember, it's not a perfect square. It's not perfect. Okay? Right. Then come here. Therefore, 3645 is equals to 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. I told you already, perfect square. So if you talk about perfect square, if you apply square root, we can make the pairs. Correct? Look it. 3 has a pair, 3 has a pair, 3 also has a pair. But here 5 is alone. 5 is alone. 5 is single. Correct? No? Yes? So that's why it's not a perfect square. If you want to really make the perfect square, two things we can do. One thing, either we have to take out 5 or we have to multiply with the 5. Yes? So now he's asking about multiply only. So therefore here I write perfect square is equals to 3645 into 5 is asking to multiply. Okay. 3645 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 2 carry. 5 6s are 30 plus 2, 32, 3 carry. 15 plus 3, 18. So therefore 2 5. Correct? Okay. If you want to really find out 18225 square root. What happened? We added already 5. Correct now? So now 5 also got pair. So I said when you apply square root for every two same numbers, we'll take only one. So we'll take 1 5. We'll take 1 3. Here also from 1 3. Here also from 1 3. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 5. 35, 3, 10, 13. So we can say that is 135. It is a way of solving the word problems. Okay. Have a nice day.